coins. Before you choose a platform, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I want to sell fast or for the highest price? Do I want to deal with shipping and online listings? Do I want local or international buyers? If you want speed and no hassle, go local. If you want the highest price, go online and be patient. If you want global exposure, use eBay or an auction house. Remember, where you sell is just as important as what you sell. The right platform can add hundreds to your final price. The wrong platform can cut your profit in half. In the next part, we will dive into photography and presentation. I will show you how to make your coin look so good that buyers will stop scrolling and start bidding. Before a buyer sees your coin in person, they will see your photos. Your photos are your first impression. And in the coin world, first impressions decide the price. A poor photo can kill interest. A great photo can make a buyer pay more. This is your chance to make your coin shine. Let us begin with lighting. Lighting is everything. Without good light, your coin will look dull, flat, unattractive. Use natural daylight whenever possible. Place your coin near a window. Avoid direct sunlight. It creates harsh shadows. If you must use artificial light, use soft white lamps from 2 angles. This removes dark spots and glare. Next is background. Keep it simple. Plain white or black works best. A busy background distracts the buyer. Your coin should be the star of the picture. Now we talk about camera. You do not need an expensive camera. A modern smartphone is enough. But you must use it correctly. Turn on the grid lines. Keep the coin centered. Hold the camera steady. Use a tripod or place your phone on a stable surface. Zoom in slowly. Do not use digital zoom if possible. Move the camera closer instead. Let us discuss angles. Photograph both sides of the coin, front and back. Take a clear shot of the mint mark. If there is an error, take a close-up of it. Use a macro lens attachment for extreme detail shots. Buyers love to see texture. They love to see the shine. Tilt the coin slightly while taking photos. This shows its luster. It makes the coin look alive. Now comes editing. Do not fake your coin's appearance. Do not remove scratches or marks. But you can adjust brightness and contrast. Make the image clear and sharp. Crop the photo so the coin fills most of the frame. Let us move to presentation. Your photos tell the visual story. Your description tells the written story. Use simple words. Be honest about condition. Mention any scratches or wear. If your coin is graded, include the grading company and grade number. If it is ungraded, describe it as accurately as you can. Here is a tip. Add a scale object in one photo, like a ruler or another coin. This helps the buyer understand size, especially for people new to coin collecting. Another tip. Use a clean holder or capsule for photos. A coin in a protective holder looks more valuable. It also tells the buyer you take care of your collection. Now, why is presentation so important? Because buyers cannot touch your coin online. They cannot feel its weight. They cannot see its luster in real life. Your job is to make them imagine holding it. Your job is to make them feel like they need it. The better your coin looks in photos, the more people will click your listing. More clicks mean more watches. More watches mean more bids. And more bids mean more money. But remember this. A photo will get them to look. A story will make them buy. Combine strong photos with a powerful description, and you have the perfect selling tool. In the next part, we will explore the art of writing a listing that sells. Words that create excitement. Words that make buyers compete. Words that turn a simple penny into a treasure worth fighting for. Your coin is ready. Your photos are perfect. Now comes the moment that will decide everything. The listing. This is where you speak to the world. This is where you convince someone to buy your coin. This is where you win or lose the sale. A bad listing will be ignored. A great listing will attract attention. It will bring views. It will bring bids. It will bring profit. Let us start with the title. The title is your headline. It is the first thing a buyer sees. It must be clear. It must be direct. It must be powerful. Here is an example of a weak title. 1996 penny for sale. No emotion. No detail. No reason to click. Here is a strong title. Rare 1996. Lincoln penny, mint condition, D mint mark. High collector value. It tells the year. It tells the type. It tells the condition. It tells why it is special. Your title should answer 3 questions. What is it? What makes it special? Why should I care? Use strong words. Rare. Mint. Error. Proof. High grade. These words make collectors stop scrolling. Now, let us move to the description. Your description is the heart of the listing. It is where you tell the story. It is where you make the buyer feel something. Start with the basics. Year. Mint mark. Condition. Grade if available. Then, add the story. When was this coin made? What makes this year special? Does it have an error? Is it uncirculated? Was it part of a proof set? Be honest about flaws. If there are scratches, say it. If there is wear, say it. Honesty builds trust. Trust builds sales. Break your description into short sentences. Short sentences are easy to read, easy to remember. Example: this 1996 Lincoln penny comes from the Denver Mint. It is in mint state condition. It has a sharp strike and full details. No scratches. No discoloration. A perfect addition to any collection. Now, let us talk about emotional words. Collectors do not just buy coins. They buy feelings. They buy history. They buy the idea of owning something rare. Use words that create emotion. Historic. Legendary. Unforgettable. One of a kind. Collector's dream. Museum quality. These words make the buyer feel they are missing out if they do not buy. Next is formatting. Do not write one long block of text. Break it into sections. Use bullet points for key features. Make it easy for the eye to scan. Example: key features. 1996 Lincoln penny. Philadelphia mint, no mint mark. Mint state condition. Brilliant luster. Sharp strike. Next comes shipping information. Tell the buyer how you will ship the coin. Tell them it will be packed safely. Tell them it will be tracked. Buyers feel safer when they know you care about delivery. Example: your coin will be shipped in a protective holder. Inside a padded envelope. Tracked and insured for your peace of mind. Now, we discuss pricing strategy. You can choose auction or fixed price. If you choose auction, start with a price low enough to attract bids, but not so low that you risk losing money. Some sellers start at 99 cents to create excitement. Others start closer to the coin's real value. If you choose fixed price, set a number based on market research. Leave room for negotiation. Collectors love to make offers. Then comes call to action. Every listing should tell the buyer what to do next. Do not just say for sale. Say add this rare piece to your collection today. Say bid now before it's gone. Say make it yours before another collector does. A call to action creates urgency. Urgency makes people act faster. Finally, review your listing before you publish it. Check spelling. Check numbers. Check photos. A small mistake can scare away a serious buyer. Remember, your listing is your salesman. It works for you day and night. It talks to buyers when you are asleep. Make it strong. Make it honest. Make it irresistible. In the next part, we will go deep into pricing secrets, how to set a price that makes collectors excited, and how to use auctions to make your penny sell for far more than you expected. Pricing a coin is not guessing. It is an art. It is a science. It is strategy. Set your price too high. No one will buy. Set it too low. You lose money. The right price is hidden. You must find it. Let us start with market research. Before you set any number, look at what other sellers are asking. Look at what buyers are actually paying. Go to eBay. Search 1996 Lincoln penny. Now click Sold Items. This shows real sales. Not dreams. Not wishes. Reality. You may see one penny sold for $2, another for $25, another for $300. Why such a big difference? condition, rarity, timing, presentation. Next step. Check multiple sources. Visit coin forums. Ask experienced collectors. Look at auction results from big houses like Heritage. Check online coin price guides. Never trust one source alone. A single website can mislead you. You need the full picture. Now, let us talk about coin grades and price ranges. For a 1996 penny in poor condition, price may be 1 to 5 cents. For circulated but decent condition, 5 cents to $1. For uncirculated, $1 to $10. For mint state MS65 or higher, $15 to $50. For rare errors or proof coins, $100 to $1,000 or more. These are not fixed rules. Prices can change. Demand can rise overnight. Now comes auction strategy. If you choose auction, start with a number low enough to invite bids, but not so low that you risk a loss. For a common 1996 penny in mint condition, you might start at $5. For a rare error, start at $50 or $100. This creates interest without scaring buyers away. But here is the secret. Do not end your auction on a random weekday morning. End it when most buyers are online. Saturday evening, Sunday evening, between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. in US time zones. Why? Because more people are free. More people are watching. More people are ready to bid. Last-minute bidding wars happen in the final 60 seconds. Ending at the right time can add 20% or more to your final price. Now, let us discuss fixed price strategy. Fixed price gives you control. You set a number and wait. This works best if you have patience. Here is the trick. Set your price slightly above what you expect. Then allow best offer. Buyers love to negotiate. They feel they are getting a deal. You still get the amount you wanted. Example, if you want $50, list it for $65. Accept offers. Someone may offer $55. You make more than your target. The buyer feels like a winner. Next is psychological pricing. Numbers matter. $49 looks cheaper than $50. $99 looks cheaper than $100. Even though the difference is small, our brains react to certain numbers differently. Use this to your advantage. Now, let us talk about seasonal pricing. Coin prices change during the year. Around Christmas and holiday seasons, collectors buy more. Prices rise. During big coin shows or conventions, demand can spike. Timing your sale for these periods can bring higher prices. Another secret is holding for value. Sometimes, not selling is smarter than selling now. If you believe the value will rise, hold the coin. Keep it safe. Wait for the right moment. One headline about a rare penny selling for thousands can make your coin worth double overnight. Finally, remember this rule. Price is not just about what you ask. It is about what buyers believe your coin is worth. Your photos, your description, your reputation, all work together to shape that belief. In the next part, we will enter the world of auctions and bidding wars. I will show you how to create excitement, how to make buyers compete, and how to turn a 1-cent coin into a $100 sale in minutes. An auction is not just selling. It is a battlefield. It is a game of nerves. It is a fight for treasure. Your coin is the prize. Collectors are the warriors. Only one will win, but all will fight. Let us start with the auction setup. You choose the starting price. You choose the length of the auction. You choose the ending time. Every choice matters. Set the price too high, and you scare away bidders. Set it too low, and you risk losing money. For a 1996 Lincoln penny in mint condition, start low enough to attract interest, but high enough to protect yourself. Now, choose the auction length. 7 days is the sweet spot. It gives buyers time to find your listing. It builds anticipation. Shorter auctions may end before enough people see it. Longer auctions can lose momentum. Next is the ending time. Never end at random hours. End when most buyers are online. Saturday evening, Sunday evening, between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. in US time zones. Why? because this is when last-minute bidding wars explode. Now, let us talk about bidding psychology. Bidders are human. They hate losing. They will fight to win, even if they must pay more than planned. Your job is to create this competition. First, write a listing that feels urgent. Use phrases like, "Last chance to own this rare penny. Do not miss out. One of a kind. Once it's gone, it's gone." Second, show multiple great photos. The more angles, the more confidence. Confidence makes people bid higher. Third, mention the rarity and story again in the description, even if you already said it. Repetition keeps it in their mind. Now comes the bidding war stage. In the first few days, bids may be slow. Do not panic. Many bidders wait until the last 24 hours. Some wait until the last 60 seconds. In the final minute, everything changes. You may see the price jump in seconds. 2 or more bidders lock onto your coin. One bids. The other bids higher. The first fights back. The price climbs. Here is the secret. Encourage watchers to bid early. Send them a friendly reminder. Some platforms allow you to message watchers. Say, "Thank you for watching this rare penny. Just a reminder, auction ends soon." Another secret. End at a time when international buyers can join. If you are selling to both US and overseas collectors, choose a time that overlaps evening in both regions. Next is reserve prices. A reserve price is the minimum you are willing to accept. If bidding does not reach that amount, the coin will not sell. This protects you from lowball results. But be careful. Too high a reserve can scare bidders away. Another trick is auction relisting. If your coin does not sell, do not give up.